Hello, fifth grade, and I hope that you're excited to be making your graffiti this week. So, what we're going to be doing first is I'll start with a white paper, and if you'd like to use a larger paper, you're welcome to. Normally, we would do it on that larger size paper that's 12 inches by 18 inches. This this size of paper, okay? See, it's pretty big, but I'm going to do it on typing paper so that if you have only typing paper at home, then you can do that on typing paper also, okay? So what I was working on is the um, the graffiti letters, and so what we're going to be doing this week is just mapping out where your letters are going to go, okay? So what we're going to do is, let me see here. Oops. Let's see. I'm going to do a different font than I normally do, maybe. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about maybe a nickname or something fun, and typically people call me Rach if they call me a nickname. And so I'm going to do Rach on here. So what I'm going to do is draw the letters one shape at a time, just like this. And I'm using pencils so that if I mess up, I can erase it. Now, I don't know if you realize this, of course you probably do, but if you are somewhere and you've seen a lot of graffiti, which most of us have seen a lot of graffiti, then obviously they don't use pencil first, do they? Typically when you see graffiti, you see it with spray paint, right? But we're going to be making ours with pencil and then Sharpie on our paper only. And I would not recommend trying to do graffiti on other property unless you have permission from your parents directly on something that you own, okay? Because it is illegal. So what we're going to be doing is just laying out each letter, and I try to make sure that my letters overlap just a little and they look like the letter that I'm looking at on my screen right now. So the next letter I need is an A, and when I do the A, I'm going to overlap it just a little with the last letter. So and at the rate I'm going, I don't know I'm gonna have enough room for all my letters. Okay. This could be interesting. See if I carry this side through here. It should kind of flow. And this side comes across here. And then this should come down kind of like that. So then I'm going to erase the R inside of the A. Ugh. Like that. And then the next letter is a C, and the C looks kind of funky on here, but it'll work. So what I'm going to go with is, how do I want to do this? Let's see. C, get it? All right, I'm going to pull that around, up. Oh my, this is weird. Okay, so it's going to come up, over, down, over, down. It's a little different than what it looks like up here, but it'll work. Okay, and then I have to erase the pretty part of my A there where you don't see it. So otherwise it doesn't really make sense and flow the way it's supposed to. And then an H. So since I have this extra space and my C and A got a little small, I can make the H maybe a little bit bigger. So I'm going to start by overlapping it in a way where I can still see all the details from the last letter. Okay, and then this comes up, over. Okay, so that's basically how you set up your letters. You want them to overlap a little bit and have lots of character. Okay, so this week, why don't you start by trying to do all of this, and next time we're going to do the next step. And I think I'm going to go ahead and upload that video for this week. And if you want to do the second step, you're welcome. And if you'd rather wait, then that's fine too. So I will talk to you again soon. Have a great week.